Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. After market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is June 2nd, Tuesday. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 really nice trades. We had one small trade. We knew it was going to be a little bit of a trouble. It's still having trouble right now as our last trade of the morning. You know, we had one that was very small, or a break even for most people if you had more than one contract. We're going to run through everything here left to right. Our first trade here, again, in no particular time order, although it was our first. Right here, we had an RS trade. I called the trade short. I gave everybody the price of 94. Everybody got filled right there. Barely no heat in the position. It went down from 94, and that sucker went all the way down, well over 120, 130 ticks. Beautiful trade. That was a nice way to start the morning. Then we had a long trade at 50 at the 95 at 10:03. That trade went up and made 30 plus ticks. Then when it came up again on the 10 that was there, then on the 1021 candle there, I said you can go ahead and hit it again because we were looking for higher targets. I said it's going to try to get closer to 14. We did get long there again at the 95s. It made over 60 ticks, and then we started getting warning signs. Okay, we started getting warning signs all in here. So it was like normally you could flip it and reverse it. We don't normally reverse in here. It's kind of like just look, get out, move your stop up tight, whatever. But it made 60 first, pretty quick. And then later in the morning, we tried a really tough trade that we knew was going to be rough, but there was room there to get into a free trade at 90.50. We got we got 15 to 20 ticks, not quite 20 on it. And I told everybody that it's absolutely critical that this trade gets above 55.56. But again, there's enough room there where we can, get ourselves into either take profits or get into a free trade, move our stop up. So, it was either, up to 15 plus ticks or a break even. And it's still having trouble here, but it's lunchtime now. So, and then in the ES, we had a couple monsters as well. Actually, we had an extra trade here. I forgot about that extra entry, but got short, but 61 in the ES at 11 o'clock. Just a beautiful RS. Went all the way down. Well over 12 points. And then for people who were out, I offered another entry, either an add-on or a new entry, which by the way, when this market was coming down here, I called the same trade down here. It just didn't trigger. We got short at 53.75, and that trade made up to 5 points there. On a new entry or on an add-on. So you get in here, take profits, add on again to your trade, take more profits, stuff like that. And the target on that trade was we were looking when this trade was down here at 11:15. We had the NASDAQ that was below our level here of 19. I said they may overshoot it, but right here. So I said a good spot to get out of the ES is when the NASDAQ gets below 19, which it did right here. And you'll see the ES was right down here. So, we pretty much got, what we could get on it. So, and you see here the NASDAQ is still struggling there at that level. We're not playing around with that anymore because it's lunch, but we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. No credit card required, 10-day free trial. Check out what we do, and we'll see you in the room. Any questions, write us on the website. We have a contact form and multiple ways to contact us. Have a great day, everybody.